Experience the amazing visible result in only a few days with these two of my favorite tools to keep my face looking young. Wash your face and apply a cleansing oil. Rub your hands together to warm them up and apply to your face to get ready. I have the link down below for the oil suggestions. Start by massaging our face using 2 fingers. Gradually go down on your cheeks. We'll be using the Jade roller first, then switching to the Gua Sha. If you have only one tool in hand, it's okay to use the same tool throughout the entire video. Let's start the session with Jade roller. Using the larger side of the tool, do the lymphatic drain massage here. You do not have to press hard. Do this to clear out this area. This is important before we do the face massage, so that the fluid in the upper area has somewhere to go. Your lymphatic system sits right underneath the skin, so you do not need to press very hard. Using the other hand fingers to secure the chin, then move upward towards the ear. This smooths out the marionette line and lifts your cheek. We are doing one side of the face first, but don't worry. Everything we do on this side of the face will be repeated in the second part of this video. Glide the roller starting from the nasolabial folds towards the hairline. Using the other hand to hold the nose, glide the roller against the cheekbone and lift it up towards the ear. Use the smaller side of the roller and very gently glide it underneath your eyes. We are going to be using the Gua Sha, but again, you don't have to switch the tool if you don't want to. Using the Gua Sha, gently go downward, massaging the lymph node on the neck. Please support me by leaving a like and subscribing to my channel so that I can make more videos like this one. Using this side, and smoothing out the nasolabial folds and also the marionette lines. Using the other hand to hold the nose, glide against the cheekbone and lift it up towards the front of the ear. We will be repeating all the same movements on this side of the face. Let's tap our faces to promote the collagen even more. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye.